touching the turbo. Alright guys, welcome back to the Priime YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking our beloved G35 race car and giving it an entirely new look. This thing's been matte black for 11 years. The guys over at Priime Vinyl, I mean, here comes Bevs with the film.
Shout out to Nosatech.
A Nosatech, let's go. But it's a super, super glossy, kind of dark gunmetal gray. It's going to be awesome when it's done, but we're going to get it looking 100% right. I'm going to give you guys a tour of this vehicle. If you've never seen this car before, it's pretty much a race car for the road. And then we're going to talk shop a little bit about the new 950 class over at Bradenton Motorsports Park for their test and tune. Cleet and Victor set it up, but I think this car has a fair shot to be a monster at Bradenton. So if you guys have never seen this car, it's a 2004 Infiniti G35 sedan that, believe it or not, I've had for 18 years. And it's been through many iterations of NA builds, twin turbo VQ builds, and the setup that we're landed on today is kind of a monster. The thing rips. We got a long block from Texas Speed years ago. It's a 30 over 6 liter iron block. So a glorified truck motor, but the thing is built. Rods, pistons. Right now we're running 2200 Bosch injectors. Got a 5 gallon per minute fuel pump and 78-75 mil turbo. Honestly, just on gate pressure right now. And the last time Nate, Dr. Tune 'em all, tuned it, it made, I think, 780 at about 12.5 pounds of boost. But we had our buddy Jeff over at Superformance Fab make just an epic kit. We have the forward facing headers. They 2-to-1 merge into a full V-mount setup on the turbo. Super easy, super serviceable, and it's all super compact. He also made this front support. So when it comes to actually working on this thing, it's honestly a breeze. Coming around to the interior, it just has some curb keys. It is a 6-speed car. Nice fun little Sparco wheel. And obviously we need to do a little bit more in the wiring department, but it does everything that we need right now. And then coming back to the trunk over here, pretty simple setup again. I think it's a 12 or 15 gallon fuel cell. The pump's underneath, little water box, you know, hold some ice and water for our air to water setup. I'm just excited to get the matte black off of this thing. It's been matte black for over 10 years, and that's not cool anymore. So we got a Nosatech, the best film on the market, to make it look right. But enough jibber jabber. Let's get this thing color changed. You guys are killing it. The car is already silver. That's nuts. But yeah, this is the base color silver. All right, so the guys literally finished this in, I don't know, 15 minutes. We'll pull it inside and then who knows? Might even be half wrapped today. Yeah, last time they wrapped it, Bevs did this in a day for summer vibes. So I'm hoping it's only a half day. Color looks pretty cool. It's silver underneath, but this is a darker silver, and I think the finish will be better. What do you think for chrome delete? Matte black? That might be kind of cool.
This dude loves matte black.
I just think matte on the gloss, it brushed aluminum. No, that'll look cheesy. That'll look real cheesy.
We'll do matte black, gray base, and sick decal.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be cool with the decal.
You excited, pal?
I'm real excited. It's been matte for so long, now we can use detail spray on it.
It's gonna be shiny.
This is what the color looked like 18 years ago when Chris got this.
Really proving my age.
You got this car when I was a freshman in high school.
Yeah, I was out there just street racing.
Wait.
I wasn't. I'm excited to see what the polished drag pack back on it.
I forget what those look like. I haven't seen this car in like 6 months.
Oh.
So it's been gathering dust in your shop.
I know, whatever.
All right, guys, the wrap is almost done. Devin, don't do it. Don't do it. But we got the drag pack back in action. We got a brand new tire for the first time. We got a true slick, not a radial. So we'll see what it does. Our goal is to honestly kind of cat scratch our way through the 60 foot, but I think this is gonna get us there. And yeah, it's gonna use a little bit of none other than Mr. Sam's tire and trim protectant. Get them glossed up a little bit, and we're gonna put them on the car. See what she looks like. Sorry, Sam, if this isn't how you use your product. Kind of looks cool. I think it might look a little bit too fast for the car. It's a pretty fast car, but it's not like that. I was reading online, when you have this white lettering, It actually makes the car faster. Maybe we should wait to show them the final product till these are on in the parking lot.
Little sneak peek, maybe.
Real quick. I like your style.
So
Devin.
fast.
I like your style. I'm happy with it. Do you like it?
I picked the color, so I love it.
Devin really styled the whole thing for me.
Yeah, I'm just the style guy here.
I just want to say, Chris dropped his car off 36 hours ago. We unwrapped it, we did body work, and we wrapped about, what, 40% of it now?
Yeah, I guess.
And he's
Getting
gonna be
there.
upset if he doesn't have it by tomorrow night.
Tonight. I thought
He's
it was
already
testing tune.
upset about tonight.
Testing tunes in an hour.
He's pushing me to get it done by tomorrow night now.
Unbelievable. We got an epic
No,
team,
it'll be
3-4 guys.
It'll be done.
The mirrors?
Yours, those, we don't need those when we're going, bro.
I'll 3D print you one.
No, that'll shatter. At 240 mile an hour.
The only thing this thing's doing 240 in is down a hill.
Yeah. Oh my god. Shout out to the cannon.
Is that the thing? Oh my god, dude. Yeah, gloss is a move.
It looks good. The satin looks dingy.
Dingy.
Car looks brand new.
How do you freaking... Sorry. Now that is just science at its best right there.
That's beautiful. Max, come on.
I was checking for rough.
Is that what that was? Were you talking shit, Max?
No, he's just asking me if I like chrome wheels. I told him no.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll have to bleep this whole thing. Max is in a vlog, it's just like elevator music. I appreciate it. Dude, it looks like a fucking animal.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to my beanie, bro.
It flew off.
I got a haircut and now there's nothing there.
Flew off in the
I know,
wind.
dude. The beanie was my favorite bit on this car.
Yeah, it looks
like
so
the entire thing.
It's
Like,
ridiculous.
everything else was just like, but the beanie was.
What are you talking about? Are you
I was just sitting under G35, so
Is this thing ready for test and tune yet?
If they finish the wrap,
We're getting there.
so good. It looks so good.
It looks so good. Yeah.
Tires on there.
A little bit of meat.
A little bit of meat.
A lot of meat.
That's all the meat you can fit on this sucker.
today it's getting, shout out to Nosatech, some graphene coating,
Heck yeah.
a little bit of PPF on the headlights.
PPF. But we're not going to put the factory mirrors on, actually. You know those dummy, stupid-looking ARP or APR?
They're like tiny ones.
Yeah,
Yeah.
carbon.
Little race car ones.
Gonna try those. I know I'm not going to like it, but since they're off, we'll do it.
Might as well try it, right?
Might as well.
All right, guys, so here you have the final look of the G35, and my God, first time having it gloss. I don't know what I've been doing all these years. It honestly looks so much better. It feels cleaner. The engine bay has always been a piece of artwork. So to now to have the outside look just as good, I'm honestly speechless. I feel like it could genuinely be faster when I'm driving it. But yeah, we went with an Nosatech, real dark gunmetal gray. It has some metallic in it, so it just looks so good. But enough jibber jabber. Here's the final look of the car. It looks absolutely amazing. Let's go for a ride in this thing. Fancy a ride, pal? Look at the lines I left. That's so funny. Hop in, brother.
Bro, it's so sick. I love this thing. I'll go to Wawa so you can get your seatbelt on. That was like 75% throttle. You can feel the clutch kind of biting a little bit. Yeah, monster. I fucking love this thing. Just go back. We'll do this run. I don't want to get in trouble. great to have that automatic. Dude, just think about how much faster it'll be.
Yeah.
Just
Never-
gear to gear to gear.
Well, it's nice because big turbos spool slow, but they also stop spooling slow.
This isn't even really a big turbo either.
It's the size of my head.
Yeah, I guess if it's the size of your head, it's still considered pretty big.
Maiden voyage as a gray car is complete. I forgot honestly how floaty it feels on the slicks and the whole drag pack, but still handles pretty well. But yeah, I hope you guys like the new color, like taking a rip with us real quick, but we have plans to do a ZF 8-speed swap in this car using a Turbolamic TCU controller. There's a ton of companies that make an adapter plate between the BMW transmission and the LS. So the options are limitless. It is a little bit expensive, so we're gonna save our change over the next couple months, but we're definitely gonna take this to test and tune as it sits, see what it can do. Hopefully we'll get through the 60-foot, just cat scratching our way through. But yeah, this thing looks awesome. So if you guys are local to Sarasota, I'm sure you'll see this soon, either at the next Cars and Coffee at Bradenton Motor Sports Park, but I'm just gonna ooh and ah for the next hour at this sucker, dude. No, it's awesome. The fitment. I mean, if you're a stance guy, you respect the fitment. If you're a drag racing guy, you respect the fitment.
I mean, look.
I'm in love. Yeah, so that's it for today. Do me a big favor. Like, share, subscribe, but most importantly, comment a buddy of yours that has a more badass G35 than this. I'll wait. We have our buddy Kyle, but I'm waiting for some other absolutely gangster four doors. We want to see him. See you guys next time.